Hi everyone, this is Karen from Augustana Admissions, and I'm here to talk to you today about what to expect when you attend the Departmental Open House and Scholarship Competition. This event is one part visit day, one part scholarship competition. We have over 40 academic departments who host the competitions for $1,000 per year scholarships for students who attend. The most common question we get about this program is, do I need to do anything in advance? And that answer is no. There is nothing you need to prepare in advance. So do not stress about that, and I'll say it again, there is nothing you need to do in advance. The only students who need to do anything in advance are those who will be doing fine arts auditions or art portfolio reviews. Otherwise, we look forward to you just showing up, bringing your energy, being excited about connecting with our faculty, our students, our staff, and really trying to find out if Augustana is a place you want to call home. So there is still time to register for the Departmental Open House and Scholarship Competition, so visit our website for more information. Thanks!